Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Zoom Workplace on Windows step by step. First, open the Zoom Workplace app on your Windows computer and sign in to your Zoom account. On the home page, you will see options such as New Meeting, Join, Schedule, and Whiteboards. Click New Meeting to start an instant meeting. If your computer does not have a camera, you can keep the video turned off. You can still use Zoom for meetings, screen sharing, chat, and other features. During the meeting, the bottom toolbar gives you access to important controls. Use the Participants button to see meeting participants and invite others. Click Chat to send messages during the meeting. Click Share if you want to share your screen, a specific window, or a presentation. You can also click Whiteboards to open a collaborative whiteboard for drawing, writing, and brainstorming. Click More to access additional features such as recording, captions, transcripts, breakout rooms, and settings. To schedule a meeting in advance, return to the home page and click Schedule. Enter the meeting title, choose the date and time, and save the meeting. You can then copy the meeting invitation and share it with participants through WhatsApp, Gmail, or any other messaging app. Zoom Workplace on Windows is useful for online classes, business meetings, presentations, interviews, and team collaboration. When you finish your meeting, click End and choose End Meeting for all. That's how you can use Zoom Workplace on Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.